You look out of windows all the time, but have you ever really looked at the window itself? Have you ever thought that all its details are carefully designed for a particular purpose? That the construction of the window in front of you is the result of a coordinated effort of engineers, designers, craftsmen, and research institutions? That without craftsmen, there would be no transfer of knowledge from the scientific to the practical world? And that this can be even more efficient if traditional processes are supported by digitalization? We do all of this in order to satisfy the wishes of those who look out of our windows. It all starts by choosing the wood. We can make windows from new wood or from reclaimed wood and give it a chance to come to life again. We know how to use both, but we want to use as much reclaimed wood as possible. How much largely depends on the customer desires. We look at reclaimed wood differently than most. We see future products with high added value. Wood, the local raw material that is plentiful in our environment, is our favorite. A professional approach to the customer, quality measurement, and field installation are the keys to a satisfying customer experience with the company. The immediate transfer of information to the customer and between individual company departments is necessary to conduct our business efficiently and to deliver a quality end product. We carefully design every single window. Using our engineering knowledge, we check the functionality of every detail. All this means that your living experience with M SORA windows, even in the strongest of storms, will be peaceful. We want our customers to be satisfied with the product. That's why we allow our customers to preview the installed windows even before our craftsmen make them. With virtual 3D glasses, you can walk around the apartment and see the view through the windows before the house is even built. Each window component is equipped with tracking codes from the very beginning of the production process. This enables precise monitoring and quality control of the components. State-of-the-art equipment and digitalization of processes ensure that we can always accommodate special customer demands. The digitalization of steps in production allows the customer to monitor all of the phases of the window production process, from ordering to installation, from the comfort of their home. Our care for our windows does not end with quality installation. We can predict or prolong the lifespan of our windows by monitoring humidity and temperature. With discreetly installed sensors, we can monitor the quality of wood throughout the entire life cycle of a window. And in the event of unfavorable changes, we can intervene and prevent damage before it occurs. Quality installation is the hallmark of our work. We handle windows carefully and conscientiously. We also want our built-in windows to be durable and to adorn and enrich homes for decades. Concern for quality and installation according to the latest construction guidelines is an important foundation of our company. With the help of modern technologies, we are able to train teams that offer professional installation. Behind the view through the window hides a combination of unique knowledge and countless diligent hands. With innovative approaches, digitalized processes, and respect for tradition, we tackle all the challenges that come our way. And in doing so, we carefully and responsibly take care of our favorite raw material, wood, and with it, the environment that provides it.